Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about what causes cracked heels. Okay? Now, it's a vitamin B3 deficiency. That's what it is. And another name for vitamin B3 deficiency is called pellagra. Now, there are levels of this pellagra from very minor subclinical to very advanced. And you just don't wake up one day with pellagra. You start with little tiny symptoms. And believe it or not, one of the first symptoms of pellagra, it has to do with your gastrointestinal tract, diarrhea, and a lot of upset inflammation in your gut, and then it leads to the skin. So there's a lot of skin problems with vitamin B3 deficiencies, which is niacin. Okay, so here are the symptoms of B3 deficiency: sensitivity to light, cracked skin, rough skin, cracked skin, especially on your heels. Odor sensitivity. You have sensitivity to odors. Like you could really smell things and it irritates you more than it should. Dizziness with sudden movement. So everything is like hypersensitive. Desire to quarrel, fight with someone. Black tongue. Now there's a lot of other symptoms, but these are some of the common ones. Now the foods that you should be eating to make sure you have B3 would be, some of the animal meats: turkey, chicken, pork, mushroom, fish, grass-fed beef, seeds, avocado. Now, it could be the diet, but normally it's not the diet. So what we want to do is we want to look deeper, and the number one cause of vitamin B3 deficiency, in fact, all the B vitamins, would be your gastrointestinal tract is damaged. You might have inflammation. You might have a gastric bypass surgery where they took out your intestines. It could be from Crohn's or celiac or irritable bowel syndrome, but something happened in your gut that destroyed the lining of your digestive tract, and now you can't absorb that. So you're going to have to consume a little bit more B vitamins than you normally do just so it can be absorbed. So that's something we want to look at. If it is your GI tract, then what you want to do is you want to take L-glutamine, you want to take lactic acid from kombucha tea, and you want to have more of the fermented foods. And bone broth is a really good source of L-glutamine as well. Now, if you're alcoholic, this could also be the reason why you're deficient in the B vitamins. If you had a history of a lot of antibiotics, that can destroy the ability to absorb B3. And the last one is too much corn. Now, what's the connection between corn and B3? There's some research that shows that certain countries that pretty much are really, really poor and they're living off just primarily corn become very deficient in B3 and they get pellagra. And so I'll put a link down there to get more data on that. But corn does not have L-tryptophan. This amino acid, L-tryptophan, turns into B3. So if you don't have it, that's why you're going to be deficient. So consuming a diet, corn, you're going to have a problem with this deficiency right here. So we just wanted to do a video on the causes of cracked heels as compared to just putting a lotion on your feet and thinking that's going to fix it. This is more of an internal problem. Find the cause, go ahead and correct it, and thanks for watching.